Hey, welcome back to the shop, and we are going to give you quick fast all the bits and the pieces in our winemaking kit, our basic winemaking kit. We're just going to kind of bring things through in some sort of order, maybe not. So cleaning and sanitizing is the most important thing that you want to do with making wine. So first, we want to clean with PBW, and just like when you're washing your hands, you want to clean and then rinse. You do not want to leave this on your product or on your equipment, so you want to clean it and then you want to rinse it. We want to sanitize, and our sanitizer of choice is Star San around here. We want to add water up to mid-neck, let's say, and then you want to add half of a teaspoon of Star San on top of the water. Shake, and then you spray the Star San over everything you want to sanitize. You can only sanitize equipment that has been cleaned. Next thing, bucket. Nothing special, except it is kind of special because it is food grade. If your bucket says mortar mix on the side or has the hardware store, there's a good chance that it's not food grade. It's probably not a good idea to do that. So stick with food grade buckets. Here's our lid. Two different kinds of airlocks. Here's the double bubble, and here is the triple airlock. The triple airlock has the little, whatever this thing is, inside of here, that little clangy thing, and you fill these up with sanitizer, and these keep gnats and stuff from getting into your wine. But let CO2 out. These are two different shapes of wine whips. Put this on an electric drill, and it makes degassing super duper easy. So there is your wine whip and degassers. Hydrometers. So this is a triple scale hydrometer, and you use a test jar, and you float. The hydrometer floats inside of here. Here's an auto siphon. Here is the pump. The tubing gets attached here. This is the wrong size, but we get the idea. So we put our tubing on here, and then this is not something to throw away, as some of you have discovered. This is a diverter. It diverts the flow of liquid. So this is a siphon tube. We pump, liquid comes up here, it comes up here, out here, and then down into a lower vessel through this tube. If we do not have this on here, then this becomes a magnificent vacuum cleaner. We leave this diverter on, and now instead of the flow coming straight this way, the flow is now coming from the top. Now, let's say the next vessel that we're going into is a bottle. Then we have a bottle filling wand. So the way we attach all this is, here's our siphon, here's our tubing that doesn't fit this, but we get the appropriate tubing, and then the tubing fits on our bottling wand. So let's take a quick look at this. Push down, and now this is going to fill the bottle, and then we're going to fill this bottle all the way up to the top of the glass. So we're filling the bottle all the way to the top of the glass, and then as we retract this, the liquid level is going to drop, and that's our headspace. That is the basic equipment kit for making beer, wine, whiskey, whatever. So if you have particular questions, specific questions, hit us in the comments down below, and never hesitate to send us a message. Thanks for watching, and we'll have more detailed demonstrations on all this stuff, but this is just a quick overview of the equipment you're going to get with a basic winemaking setup. Have a great day.